Good morning, my dear students. Students, we are discussing our chapter Decimal Operation. In our earlier class, we have learned how to add and subtract two decimal numbers. Today, we are dealing with how to divide a given decimal number. Look at the problem. Four girls divided a 12-meter long ribbon. What length each get? Here the total length of the ribbon is 12. It is divided among four girls. So each one get by dividing 12 by 4. Answer is 3. We examine the early problem like this. If a 24.8 centimeter long ribbon is cut into four pieces, what is the length of one piece? Here we need to divide 24.8 divided by 4. First, we want to check. Here there is only one decimal point and it is in the 1 by 10th position. So we want to divide the whole number with 10 in order to cancel or remove the decimal point. When we multiply 24.8 with 10, we get 248. Then 4 into 10, it is 40. So we want to divide 40 with 248 and get the answer as 6.2. Okay, 6.2 into 40 is 248. Let's check the division in detail. If the length 13.2 centimeter is divided into 3 equal parts. 13. Nearest multiplies 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 2, 1 point. Just make the point on the answer part. Then carry down this to 12. 4 3s are 12. This is the division. This is the answer for 13.2 divided by 3. Same as 25.5 divided by 5. If it is like so, 5 5s are 25. Here 0. We want to place this decimal in the answer part. Then carry down the 5. 1 5s are 5. In our early, we check by counting the number of decimal point and multiply with 10, 100, so and so. But here we need not want to multiply 10 or powers of 10. Just directly can divide two numbers. Look at the another problem. 4 people shared 16.28 kilograms of rice. Then we want to find out how much does each get. Here we know that 4 4s are 16. Point. Make the point here 2. It is not possible. So 0. Again carry down next number 8. 28. 7 4s are 28. The remainder is 0. So the answer is 4.07 into 4. Let's check the result whether it is correct or not. Multiply the quotient with the dividend. 7 4s are 28. 0, 8 with carry 2. 4 0 0. 0 plus 2 2. Make the point here. 4 4s are 16. The answer that we get is same. So the answer is correct here. This is our first problem. Total amount of milk given to the children in a school for the 5 day of last week is 132.575 liters. how much was given on average each day. So we need to find out the for one day by dividing 100 32.575 divided with 5. This is a decimal number. First, 2 5s are 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. Carry down this 32. 6 5s are 30. 32 minus 30, it's 2. Make the decimal. Then carry down 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. 0. Then next carry out 7. 1 5 are 5. 5 minus 7 minus 5, it's 2. Then next carry down 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. The remainder is 0 here. So the answer is 26.515. Okay, this is the average of each day. 26.515 liters of milk is needed on average for each day. The second question, 8 people shared 33.6 kg of rice. Sujita divided her share into 3 equal parts and gave one part to Razia. How much did Razia get? Here 8 people shared 33.6. First we need to find out the share of Sujita. Then Sujita make her share into 3 equal parts. Okay, first we need to find out 33.6 divided with 8, which is 4 8s are 32. 1. Make the decimal 16. 2. 2 8s are 16. Carry. So Sujita got 4.2 kg of rice. Of her share, she divided it into 3 equal parts. So we again want to find out the 3 equal parts of 4.2. 1 3s are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Make the decimal point here. Carry down 2, 12. 4 3s are 12. 0 remainder. So this is the share of Razia. 1.4 kg will Razia got. When we divide 4.2 with 3 equal parts, each part have 1.4 kilograms. The next question, a ribbon of length 0.8 meter is divided into 16 equal parts. What is the length of each part? Here the total length is 0.8. We need to find out the 16 equal parts. What is the length of each part? 16 divided by 0.8. 8 is not a multiple of 16. So we want to make a point and give a 0 here. 80. 5 16s are 80. So the answer is 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter is the length of each part here. This is the next question. A number multiplied by 9 gives 145.71. A number multiplied with 9 is the result 145.71. What is the number? We want to find out the number. In order to find the number, we want to divide 145.71 with 9. When we divide 145 with 0.7 with 9, 1 9s are 9. 14 minus 9, it's 5. Carry down this 5, 55. 6 9s are 54. 54 minus 54, 55 minus 54, it's 1. Point. Make the point here. Then carry down 7. 17 is 1. 1 into 9, 9. This is the nearest multiple. 17 minus 9 is 8. Last carry down this 1. 9 9s are 81. So the answer is 16.19. 16.19 is multiplied with 9 gives the result 145.71. This is the next one. If 105.72 is divided by 7, get the result 15.104. Find the following. Without division, we can find the result. Just write the answer same as. Then we want to place the decimal part. Here, check here. Here is 3 decimal. In the answer part is also there is 3 decimals. Here it is 2 decimal. So we want to place decimal point after 2 digits. That is 151.04. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 decimals are there. Just write the answer. Then we want to make 5 decimal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just put the decimal here. 0.15104 is the answer. Without dividing, we can find out the result. This is your homework. Do the problem. 54.5 divided by 5, 14.24 divided by 8, 56.87 divided by 11, 3.1 divided by 2, 35.523 divided by 3. Find the answer and list out in your notebook.